Hello guys, here's an example of mole fraction. A solution contains 371.6 grams of sulfuric acid and 628 grams of water. Calculate the molar fraction of acid. So we are going to use the formula for mole fraction, which is fraction of any compound equals mole of solute divided by mole of solute plus mole of solvent. And we continue analyzing the problem. So we have 371.6 grams of sulfuric acid that will be the solute and 628 grams of water that will be the solvent. So we write the data. According to the information, we don't know about the fraction of sulfuric acid. And for the solute, we have the 371.6 grams of sulfuric acid. For the solvent, we have the 628 grams of water, and we need to continue checking the units. In both cases, we have grams. So if we compare it to the formula, we need to change them to moles. So we need to use some equivalences. As both of them have grams and moles, we need to use molar masses of sulfuric acid and water. So we are going to start calculating the one from sulfuric acid. Hydrogen has a mass number of 1 gram per mole. We multiply it times 2 and we get 2 grams per mole. Sulfur has a mass number of 32. Multiplied times 1 equals 32. For oxygen, we have 16 grams per mole. Multiplied times 4 gives us 64 grams per mole. Adding the three of them, we get 98 grams per mole in the molecule. So our equivalence would be 98 equals 1 mole. We continue calculating the one from water. We start with hydrogen that has 1 gram per mole multiplied times 2 equals 2 grams per mole. For oxygen, we have 16 grams per mole multiplied times 1 and we get 16 grams per mole. Adding these two, we have 18 grams per mole. So our equivalence in this case will be 18 grams in 1 mole. And we continue changing the amounts in grams to moles. So we start with 371.6 grams of sulfuric acid and we change it to moles. So in the parentheses, we are going to write the 1 mole up, the 98 grams down. We need to multiply the 371.6 grams times 1 divided by 98 and we get 3.79 moles of sulfuric acid. For water, we have 628 grams and we need to change them again to moles. So in the parentheses, we're going to write the 1 mole up, the 18 grams down. We multiply the 628 times 1, we divide by 18 and we get 34.8 moles of water. Having now the two amounts in moles, we can proceed substituting in the formula. So the fraction of sulfuric acid equals 3.79 moles of sulfuric acid divided by the addition of the moles of solute that are 3.79 moles plus 34.8 moles that are the moles of the solvent. This addition is equals 38.59 moles. So dividing 3.79 moles by 38.59 moles, we get that the fraction of sulfuric acid is 0.98. And this will be our result. Did you get it? Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.